Welcome to Sanskrit Learning Series. Now we are going to see Abhyasaha for Lesson 1, Standard 6, Suchira, Prathamaha Pataha. First one is Ucharanam Kurta. We have to do pronunciation for the given words. Let us do Chatraha. Chatraha means student. Gajaha. Gajaha, elephant. Gataha, pot. Sikshakaha, tutor or teacher. Makaraha, tortoise. Deepakaha, light or lamp. Mayuraha, peacock. Bidalaha, cat. Ashvaha, horse. Shukaha, parrot. Mushakaha, mouse. Chandraha, moon. Balakaha, boy. Chalakaha, driver. Gayakaha, singer. So these all are Pullinga Shabdaha only, and all those are Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha, since all are ending with the A. Second exercise is Chitrani Drishtva Padani Ucharayata. We have to do pronunciation for these following pictures. They gave the center words and we have to do pronunciation. The picture is farmer, Krishakaha. Next one is Vrishabhaha. Vrishabhaha means bull or ox. Bhalukaha. Bhalukaha means bear. Mandukaha, frog. Kapotaha, dove. Paryankaha, bed or cot. Durabhashaha, telephone. Kakaha, crow. Sauchikaha, tailor. Again, these are all Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha only. Now we will go to next Abhyasa. Varna Samyojanena Padam Likata. We have to join this word letters and write it. First they gave the example. Ich plus a plus ish plus a plus ik plus aha. Chashakaha. Likewise, ich is plus au is sau. Ich plus ye is chi. Ik plus aha is kaha. So, sau chi kaha. Next third is ish plus u shu. In plus a na. Ik plus au cow. So, shuna cow. Next, idh plus a dha, iv plus a va, ith plus aha taha. So, dhava taha, dhava. Next is iv plus ru plus idh plus aha. So, iv plus ru is vru, idh plus aha is dhaha. So, vridhaha. Next is ig plus a ga. Ye plus a ya, in plus it plus ye, inti. So ga ya inti gayanti. Next is Padanam Varna Vichedam Pradarshayata. We have to disjoin this word. Yatha Laguhu. Laguhu is il plus a is la, ig plus uhu is guhu. So laguhu. Likewise, we have to do for the rest of the words. Sivyati. Is plus ye plus iv plus ye plus a plus it plus ye. Sivyati. Varnaha. Iv plus a plus ir plus in plus aha. Varnaha. Kukkurau. Ik plus u plus ik plus u plus ir plus au. Kukkurau. Mayuraha. Im plus ha plus e plus u. Okay. So, u plus ir plus aha. Mayuraha. Balakaha. Ib plus a plus il plus a plus ik plus aha. Balakaha. Now we will do the next. Udaharanam Drishtva Rikta Sthanani Purayata. We have to fill in the blanks. Chashakaha, chashakau, chashakaha. So this is ekavachanam, chashakau is dvivachanam, chashakaha is bahuvachanam. Likewise, we have to fill in the blanks, do the fill in the blanks. So balivardau, they gave balivardau. So ekavachanam is balivardaha and bahuvachanam is balivardaha. So balivardaha, balivardau, balivardaha. Next, shunakaha. Shunakaha they gave and we are asked to do the dvivachanam and bahuvachanam. Shunakaha, shunakau, shunakaha. Next, they gave mrigaha and we are asked to do ekavachanam and dvivachanam. So mrigaha, mrigau, mrigaha. Next, sauchikau they gave and we are asked to do ekavachanam and bahuvachanam. Sauchikaha, sauchikau, sauchikaha. Mayuraha. Dvivachanam is mayura and bahuvachanam is mayuraha. Next, we will go to the fourth abhyasaha. Chitrani drishtva samskrita padani likhata. We have to see this picture and we have to write the words in Sanskrit. So the picture is elephant. So the Sanskrit word for elephant is gajaha. Next, we can see a crow, kakaha. This is Sanskrit word. Next, chandraha. Moon is chandraha. This is talaha. Bhallukaha. Bear. Bidalaha. Cat. So talaha is lark. So talaha, bhallukaha, bidalaha. Next, we will go to fifth abhyasaha. Chitram drishtva uttaram likhata. So here we can see a boy. He reads or he studies. So question is given like balakaha kim karoti. What does the boy do? So we have to answer balakaha patati. Boy reads, boy studies. So like this, some pictures are given and we are asked to do what is conveyed in the picture. Ashvau kim kurutaha. So Ashvau, there we can see two horses. So Ashvau kim kurutaha. What do these two horses do? Ashvau dhavataha. So these the horses run. Dhavataha means run. Kukkuraha kim kurvanti. What do dogs do? Kukkuraha bukkanti. The dogs bark. Bukkanti means bark. Next, we can see two boys. Question is Chatrau kim kurutaha. What the boys do? Chatrau gayataha. Here I can tell the answer if the two boys sing, or I can tell the two boys stand. So if I tell sing na gayataha, chatrau gayataha, or if I tell stand na chatrau tishtataha, I can write the answer in either way. Chatrau gayataha is also right, chatrau tishtataha is also right. Next, another picture is the farmer. What he do? Krishakaha kim karoti? Krishakaha kshetram karshati. So he plows the field. Kshetra means field. Karshati means plows. Next, two elephants are there. Gajau kim kurutaha. What the elephants do? Gajau chalataha. The elephants, they go. Chalataha also I can write. Gachataha also I can write. So Gajau chalataha or Gajau gachataha. The next exercise is Padani samyojya vakyani rachayata. So we have to do the match the following and we have to frame the sentence. So here in the left hand side we can see some words and in right hand side we can see some words. So we have to match the words according to the meaning. So gajaha, gajaha means many elephants. Simhau means 2 lions. Gayakaha is singer. Balakau is 2 boys. Mayuraha is many peacocks. So coming to the right hand side, Nrityanti means dance, Gayati means sing, Patataha study, Chalanti go, Garjataha roar. So now we have to match. Gajaha, Gajaha, this is Bahuvachanam. So I have to match with the Bahuvachana Kriya Padani only. So among these options, there are 2 Bahuvachana Kriya Padani. One is Nrityanti and another one is Chalanti. So the best match is Gajaha, Chalanti only I can tell. Next, Simhau is Dvivachanam. So among these options, there are 2 Dvivachana Kriya Padam, Patataha and Garjataha. Simhau, Garjataha only is the correct option. Gayakaha, of course Gayakaha is a singer, he sings. So Gayakaha, Gayati only. Next, Balakau means 2 boys. Balakau, Patataha only will come. Mayuraha, Mayuraha means many peacocks. Nrityanti means dance. So Mayuraha, Nrityanti. So I have matched all the words. So then we have to write the sentence like Gajaha Chalanti, Simhau Garjataha, Gayakaha Gayati, Balakau Patataha, Mayuraha Nrityanti. Now we will go to next exercise. Manjushataha Padam Chitva Riktasthanani Purayata. So in the box they gave some words, and here below that some sentences have been given with the fill-ups. So we have to fill in the blanks with the correct options which are given in the box. So first one is Nrityanti, Garjataha, Dhavati, Chalataha, Phalanti, Khadati are the options. Nrityanti means dance, Garjataha means roar, Dhavati means run, Chalataha go, Phalanti fruits, Khadati eat. So Mayuraha, Mayuraha Nrityanti. Peacocks dance. Gajau, Gajau 2 elephants. Chalataha go. So 2 elephants go. Vrikshaha, Vrikshaha means many trees. Phalanti fruit. So many trees bear fruit. Next, Simhau 2 lions. So 2 lions. Garjataha roar. Vanaraha means monkey. Vanaraha khadati. Monkey eats. Ashvaha. Ashvaha means horse. Ashvaha dhavati. Horse runs. Now we will see the next abhyasaha. Saha tau te itetebhyah uchitam sarvanama padam chitva riktasthanani purayata. So using the words saha tau te, we have to replace in the left hand side we can see some sentences, and in the right hand side some sentences are there with the fill in the blanks. So we have to fill this dash, fill in blanks with the corresponding pronouns. Either saha, tau, te. Among these 3 words we have to choose the correct options and we have to fill in the blanks. So first one is, they have given a model, Ashvaha Dhavati. Ashvaha is Ekavachanam only. So Saha Dhavati. Saha, once again I repeat, Saha is Ekavachanam, Tau is Dvivachanam, Te is Bahuvachanam. So Ashvaha is Ekavachanam, so I have to use Saha only. So Ashvaha Dhavati, Saha Dhavati. Next one is Gajaha Chalanti. Gajaha is Bahuvachanam. Gajaha, Gajau, Gajaha. So the correct option is Te only I can write. So Te Chalanti. Chatrau Patataha. Chatrau is Dvivachanam. Chatraha, Chatrau, Chatraha. So Saha Tau Te. So among that Tau is a Dvivachanam. So Tau Patataha. Next Vanaraha Kridanti. Vanaraha is Bahuvachanam. So the Bahuvachana Sarvanama Pada, that is Te only. So Te Kridanti. Gayakaha gayati. Gayakaha is ekavachanam, so saha only come. Saha gayati. Mayuraha nrityanti. Mayuraha nrityanti means like many peacocks dance. So Mayuraha bahuvachanam. So among that saha taute, te is a bahuvachanam, sarvanama padam. So te only will come. Te nrityanti.